Got really nice out today in Northeast PA. I think it's in the 50s. Feels like summer. I've got another accessory here for this Wolverine. These panels that create, transform your door panels into having pockets. So from the factory, they're kind of indented here. I don't know if Yamaha planned on making something for that or just for leg room. I'm a pretty big guy and it doesn't give me any more. But these things are kind of limited with space. I mean, the bed's big, center console, glove box. But I'm always kind of looking for a place just to put something. These things only cost about 45 bucks off of eBay. They're from a company called Get Lit. They were here quick. I don't remember where they came from, but what state anyway. But I had them in a couple days, so pretty straightforward. Just use the factory screws, or the factory holes, I should say. There's no screws there. Can move in. So it comes with screws. You just bolt them on. You're good to go. So I'm going to put these on and we'll check them out. Okay, there is a left and a right. It's got this cutout here which goes to the rear part of the door. So this is actually the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. These things are pretty tough too. They feel well made. And again, there's no drilling or anything. Just I'm going to start them in these factory holes the best I could, and then just run them down with my little impact driver. It's pretty hard to turn in by hand. This panel's only plastic, so it'll take a little bit easy. They line up pretty much perfect. Alright, that's it. That's all installed. A good bit of room in there. You drop a pair of gloves or whatever. And they're definitely worth 45 bucks and the simplest thing to install. I mean, those holes are in the door for a reason. I guess Yamaha has some other accessory with their name on it that I'm sure costs a lot more than 45 bucks. Not knocking Yamaha, I love Yamaha, but the accessories aren't cheap. So if you like them, I can tell you right now, they fit perfect. There was no issues, you saw that. Check them out. Get Lit on eBay. Again, they're only, I don't have a receipt in here. I know they weren't more than 50 bucks. I think they were 45, so thanks for watching.